ISO 50001 is a global standard that outlines the conditions for creating and sustaining an energy management system that may be used by organizations of any size or kind, regardless of the kind and amount of energy they use. ISO 50001 plays a significant role in advancing SDG 7 established by United Nations by promoting energy efficiency, renewable energy use, emissions reduction, and broader access to affordable and sustainable energy. What is the framework for ISO 50001? First, develop a policy. Decide on the company's energy goals and how you will reach them. Next, plan and implement the things you plan to save the energy. Then the company shall monitor the energy used to see whether the goals are met or not. Next, make sure you are following any laws or guidelines related to energy. Then look at how well your plan is working and make changes to improve it. Lastly, continual improvement. Always look for ways to save even more energy and improve the energy management system. Now, what are the importance of energy management? First, reducing carbon emissions. It's about doing things that release less pollution into the air, like using cleaner energy sources and being more efficient with how we use energy. Secondly, conserve energy. Use less energy by being smarter about how we use it, like turning off lights when we don't need them. Third, enhance building performance, where it is about making buildings work better and use less energy so they are more comfortable and cost less to run. It involves things like improving heating and cooling systems and making sure buildings are well insulated. And lastly, by doing the first three things, we can save money in the long run because we are using less energy and making buildings work better. This means lower energy bills and fewer expenses on things like repairs and maintenance. Moving on to the benefits of energy management system. The first benefit is efficient use of energy. Using energy wisely can save money and protect the environment. Then we can see a cost reduction as we spend less money on energy bills by using energy more efficiently. Next, a lower carbon footprint, doing things that create less pollution, for instance, using cleaner energy sources. Employing ISO 50001 can increase return on investment, getting more value out of the money spent on energy by saving more than investing in energy-saving measures. Also, improve brand image as we are showing customers and others that you care about the environment and saving energy, which can make your business look good. Lastly, enhance well-being and productivity, where we can feel better when working places where energy is used wisely, like having comfortable temperatures and good air quality.
Decarbonization, a process of reducing the carbon intensity of the global energy system by transitioning away from fossil fuels and towards cleaner, low-carbon energy sources. Decarbonization contributes highly towards sustainability. Sustainability refers to striking a balance between developing economy and environmental preservation. Both of these elements later fulfill their social obligations, which is to ensure that energy use does not compromise the demands of future generations. The adoption of renewable energy sources in the production of electricity can help to achieve the SDG goals. Solar energy, hydroelectric energy, and wind energy are the primary examples of the renewable energy sources that can be utilized for the purpose. By reducing greenhouse gases emissions, especially carbon dioxide, which accounts for around 76% of all damaging greenhouse gas emissions, this strategy attempts to lessen the effects of climate change. Then, what are the challenges faced by renewable energy sector? Leveraging emerging technologies and innovations to enhance energy sustainability, such as advanced renewable energy systems, energy storage, and smart grids, can be a problem to certain countries. While industry decarbonization emphasizes steel and cement production, which are difficult to electrify due to high energy requirements.
Now, I'll explain on ISO 50001 and carbon neutral healthcare facilities. So, how does ISO 50001 relate to healthcare facilities? For your information, healthcare facilities utilizes high energy consumption, and therefore, the industry is highly recommended to acquire a sustainable energy management system to improve energy efficiency and reduce energy consumption, which leads to cost saving. Now, we'll see how ISO 50001 is adapted in the Malaysian healthcare system to promote and achieve carbon neutral healthcare facilities. Hospital Sultan Al Maliha is one of the district hospitals in Kedah. which started operating in 1995 and is owned by the Malaysian Ministry of Health. In 2020, the hospital became the first LEED V4 O&M Gold certified hospital in the world and also the first LEED certified government hospital in Malaysia. LED stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. It is the most widely used green building rating system developed in the US, and the latest version of the certificate is LEED V5. Here are some other green building certificates apart from the LED. So, the environmental friendly features adapted by the hospital includes optimized ventilation designation, 90% mercury-free LED lights, rainwater harvesting system, as well as installation of PV panels, which helps to generate 1.75% of total energy consumption of the building. To conclude, ISO 50001 is one of the recommended tools to promote environmental sustainability and energy efficiency. That's all from us. Thank you.